Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another Tip Tuesday video, and today I'm showing you how you can use scalp massages for hair growth. So let's get into it. So there's a few different ways and a few different methods, I guess, of doing a scalp massage, and so I'm going to show you a few of them today. I'm just going to go ahead and take this out. All right. So the first scalp massage method I'll show you guys is just going in with your fingers, not using any products at all, just going in with your fingers. And you could do this on wet hair, but ideally you would do it on dry hair because wet hair has a tendency of tangling a lot easier. So just going in and massaging in circular motions, very slowly and gently. I'm not doing anything like fast or aggressive. I'm just being very soft and gentle. Just going in circular motions all over my head. Kind of focusing on one area at a time for a few seconds before I move on to the next section. Don't mind my crazy hair. So that is one method of doing a scalp massage. That method is nice because it doesn't require any like prep work. You can just like pull your hair out of whatever style it's in and just go ahead and start doing a scalp massage. So that's a really good one that you can start doing before you go to sleep, like at bedtime, just going in and doing a quick scalp massage before you go to bed. And that is definitely going to stimulate hair growth, especially if you're doing it every night. So that's the first method. Now the second method is going in with a natural oil. So I'm using coconut oil today. I just keep mine in a little mason jar, but yeah, coconut oil is really good. It's really moisturizing. It has a lot of essential it has a lot of essential vitamins and nutrients that are really good for your hair. I know coconut oil doesn't work super well for everyone, so maybe just test it out before you like go in with a ton of coconut oil, just to make sure it actually works for you. But it is a very moisturizing and soothing oil. My favorite oil is actually sweet almond oil, but I'm out of it right now, so I'm using my second favorite, which is coconut oil. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is take your coconut oil, put about a tablespoon or so of oil into a glass container, and then you're gonna wanna take that and just warm it up for maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and that'll turn it into a liquid form. And because it's now warmed up, it'll penetrate even deeper into those hair cuticles right at the root and stimulate hair growth even further. So you could go in and just use this mixture as is, or you can do what I'm doing today, which is using essential oils. The two that I chose to use today are peppermint and lavender. Peppermint is really invigorating and stimulating oil, so that one is one that I would definitely recommend. And then I also chose lavender just because it has a very calming scent, and I just love the smell of lavender. It just smells so nice, and clearly Winston thinks it smells good too, so so I'm just putting a few drops of each, maybe a little bit more of the peppermint because I want a really stimulating massage today. So a few drops of the peppermint and a few of the lavender. Okay, and try not to do what I just did. Don't drop your lid into the mixture. Giving that a quick stir. And now our oil is ready to be used. Okay, so now I have my oil here, my coconut and essential oil mixture. And I'm just gonna dip my hand in here, kind of get a good amount on there. Rubbing it on my hands, mainly on my, oh, sorry, my dog just hit the camera. Just rubbing that into my fingertips and then doing that exact same method we just did. So going into the scalp, circular motions. Same idea as what we did in that first method, just going in with our bare hands. Now we're just doing it with the oils in there, and it's just gonna give us a little bit of a stronger stimulating effect, and it'll just encourage even more hair growth, and it'll also make your hair smell really good. It's another bonus. So like I said, my hair is definitely needing to be washed right now, which is why I'm doing the essential oil mixture. But if your hair is freshly washed or it's still like really clean and you're not planning to wash your hair for the next few days or while, I probably wouldn't recommend using the essential oils. I would actually probably recommend just doing the first method, because you don't want to cause a lot of buildup on your scalp, because that can actually have a negative effect if you're trying to grow your hair. Because if you get too much buildup on your scalp, you're gonna clog up those hair follicles, and you actually might end up hindering hair growth because your hair has a harder time getting through your scalp. So I would say this is a good one on those days when you're about to wash your hair. You just want to do a quick scalp massage, or just when you know that you're going to be washing your hair soon. You're not going to be doing this and then leaving your hair like this for like a week. That's not ideal. So this is probably my favorite way of doing it, just doing it on the days when you wash your hair, right before you wash your hair, just kind of giving your hair an extra stimulating boost. It's also really good if you have an itchy scalp, because those oils all help to soothe your scalp and it will feel a lot better afterwards. So that's method 2. Also, if you have any left over, which I do, you can just use that to apply to the rest of your hair. You could even like dampen your hair a little bit and do this, because that'll help the oil penetrate even more. I'm just gonna put it in really roughly just to show you guys. This definitely will make my hair greasy, but like I said, I'm about to wash it, so I'm not worried about that at all. But yeah, keep that in mind if you are planning to do this on cleaner hair. I'm also gonna focus a lot on the areas right at the front of my scalp, because I have noticed that it's a little bit thinner there lately, and I have been wearing my hair up a lot, so that could definitely be part of it. So I'm just gonna focus the oils on that area as well and try to stimulate some growth in those more sparse areas. All right, so that's method 2 done. Now okay, I look so crazy now. The third method I'm gonna show you guys is using a scalp massaging tool like this one. So this is, I'm not even sure like what exactly this is called, but it is a scalp massaging tool. So basically how it works is use this little handle here to push straight down into your head. It feels super nice, it's so relaxing. And you just repeatedly go up and down. Try not to poke yourself in the ear or anything. But this is another method of scalp massaging and stimulating hair growth. Another one that you could do without the oils, you could just do before bed or just throughout the day, in the morning, whenever you feel like, really. So same idea, just doing this for a few minutes, just going in really gently. This can get stuck in your hair if you're not careful, so go really slow, take your time. There's really no need to go fast because it feels nicer when you go slow anyway. So take your time, be very gentle, and just enjoy the soothing massage. So with this method, you could actually combine this with the oil method I just did, if you want to like double up on the stimulating power, I guess. Or you could do the two separately, and like I said, they each have their own benefits. So just depending on what you're gonna do with your hair next and how much time you have, whatever the situation may be, you have a few different methods. Yeah, now my hair is even more crazy than it was when I started this video. So I'm gonna go wash my hair now, but I really hope you guys like this little scalp massage video. I hope that it gave you some good ideas, some ideas that you want to try for yourself. And if you do try them for yourself, let me know which method was your favorite or which essential oil blend is your favorite. Leave me a comment, I would love to read it. And yeah, if you liked the video, please leave it a thumbs up. That does help me out a lot. And make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you don't already know, I am doing Vlogmas, so I will be posting a new video every single day from now until Christmas. So make sure you are subscribed and hit that little bell so you get notified every time I post. Hopefully you will come back and join me for the rest of Vlogmas. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.